और इस समय हमारे साथ बेहद खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर सिमल सोइन है, फाउंडर एंड चीफ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट आईना। मैं आपसे डॉक्टर सोइन ये जानना चाहूँगी, एज अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट बहुत लड़कियां आपके पास आती होंगी कि हमें इस तरीके से दिखना है, आप हमारे अंदर ये बदलाव ले आइए, और उनकी मनस्थिति क्या होती है जब आपके पास वो किसी रिक्वेस्ट के साथ आती हैं इस तरह से उनको दिखना है?
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज जो भी मेरे पास आता है डर्मेटोलॉजी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए कुछ इम्प्रूव करने आता है। किसी को एक्ने होती है, किसी को एक्ने से स्कार्स होते हैं, किसी को पिगमेंटेशन इश्यूज हैं, किसी को मतलब जैसे डार्क मार्क्स होते हैं, किसी को रोजेशिया होता है, कि कोई अपना वेट कम करना चाहता है, किसी को एक्सेसिव हेयर ग्रोथ है, इफ यू हैव हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस टू कीप यू इन अ हेल्थी स्टेट। सो ये सब चीजें जरूरी हैं. So we will treat all of the concerns which people come for when young girls or anybody actually comes to treat these concerns. But there's a fine line between what you're treating and what you should not treat. The red flag for me is red flag माने अगर मैं किसी को देखती हूँ कि जब लोग pictures लेके आते हैं of celebrities, of friends, which are done with Instagram filters, with airbrush makeup, and of unnatural results. Another interesting trend which I see off and on, not all the time, not in the present generation, well, I see it off and on, is when in-laws and fiancés of young girls who are getting married, get the girls in to improve certain features or complexions that, and expect her to be a certain way before they actually get married. So for me, that is a worrying situation.
But Dr. Soin, how do you strike that balance in your practice? You've talked about the red lines, but you know the reality of the society we live in today, because you may say no and they may go to someone else. So do you counsel these young adults, and how do you feel when you know that they may be walking out of your office and walking into somebody else's?
Yes, of course. I mean, we do it all the time. Like I talked about the red flags, कि जब मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ क्या worrying है, अगर लोग बहुत often आते हैं treatments के लिए, if they're coming very often, if they're worried about every little line, wrinkle, spot, every inch of, then that's where you've got to draw the line and try and counsel people about it. But otherwise, like I said before, it's fine to want to look your best self, and that's absolutely okay. But the overall view with which I work also is to treat people in a more holistic manner. Not to address every line, wrinkle, spot, acne, but overall they should look better, feel happier. That's the way that I work with people. What I want to say is that in the present generation, I see a lot of younger, let me say working girls, people who are economically independent, cutting across all social classes, that they actually are now living life a lot on their own terms. And that's a very progressive trend. So while the pressure on looking good still continues to be high with all the social media and everything, if it comes from a place of strength and confidence and doing everything within the confines of reason, as in not wanting to, you want to treat your pigmentation, but not lighten the overall complexion of your skin or fit into a particular mold which you don't want to, then it's fine.